Good morning. My name is Charles Bott, and I'm Director of Water Technology and Research at Hampton Roads Sanitation District in Southeast Virginia. I'm going to be giving the WEF AWSP AAEES lecture at WEFTEC this year. That will be at 1:30 on Monday afternoon. So this lecture is sponsored by WEF, of course, but also in collaboration with AWSP, which is the Association of Environmental Engineering and Science Professors, and AAEES, which is the American Academy of Environmental Engineers and Scientists. The title of my lecture is Navigating the Entropy of Innovation. I'll give just a quick summary of that lecture for you. Innovation in the treatment technology space inherently involves stumbles. Setbacks are inevitable. That's the premise of this talk. As an industry, we really need to discuss those inevitable mistakes and problems along with the technical solutions and collaborative structures that support final resolutions. The most valuable learning opportunities, I think, involve a discussion of what went wrong and how the setbacks were resolved. Managing the risk of innovation requires that we maintain the ability to make smarter decisions tomorrow. Recognizing innovation is rarely a linear and defined process, perseverance through problems and inevitable course corrections is essential. The difference is that compared to other public utility sectors like transportation, drinking water, and electrical power, our field allows for nearly unchecked creativity in some locations, but not others, and for emerging treatment technologies that offer clear benefits to almost go viral. This has become ever more apparent in recent years as the sheer number of emerging technologies that get us to ever more diverse sets of discharge limits is sometimes difficult to comprehend. The hurdles of regulatory approval technologies are non-existent in some jurisdictions and a critical barrier in others. An emerging trend seems to be innovations for innovation's sake in our sector. Innovation offers the opportunity for huge cost savings, improvements in effluent quality, opportunities for resource recovery. But I think innovation consistently fails when the specific problem to be solved is not clearly identified and defined at the outset. We've learned this lesson at HRSD, and it's often the hardest part of technology innovation. Defining the problem that must be solved in a clear and definitive manner is imperative. The next step involves documenting and defining the business case. If this can't be done succinctly on a napkin, more work is probably needed. So what I've done here is really just summarize in generalities what the lecture is about. My plan will be to talk through these hypotheses and illustrate this with examples of HRSD projects, things that went well and things that didn't go so well. Hopefully that's interesting, and we'll see you in New Orleans. Thanks.